Hey everyone, namaste. So I don't think I have to talk about what's going on these days with everyone because we all know what's happening around the world, and we all also know that this is inevitable. So all I can say is that it's a tough time for all of us, but then obviously some of us are having it worse than the others. So to be honest, today this video is about talking about those issues as this is not a submission that I'm going to talk about today, but this is something that I have been facing, and that made me realize that a lot of people must be facing this. If I'm facing this, so I just thought that it's time to spill the secrets out. So to be honest, I've always been prepared. Like when I started the channel, I was prepared that at some point I'll have to talk about myself and share my stories, but I didn't know it was going to be under such circumstances. Right. So, yeah. So this is, I don't know. Like I have a lot of stuffed toys, so I didn't bother naming them because then I would have to remember all of their names, and I'm not good at that. So yeah, this is one of my stuffed toys. You are free to name him. I'm pretty sure it's a him. So you're free to name him whatever you would like to name him. So okay, and he is going to be with me today, and hopefully this is going to help me to firstly focus and also to feel less nervous, as I always do. So then I jotted down the reasons why I feel nervous more than I should, and one of the main reasons was that I always keep thinking, even while I'm talking, I always keep thinking that I'm going to say something that would offend someone, or I'm going to say something which might hurt some community sentiments, or something like this. I'm always scared that I'm going to mess it up and hurt someone through my videos. And the whole point of this channel is that we can all come together and be there for each other. But then if I do end up hurting someone, it is going to be absolutely, right? It's just gonna destroy the whole point of the channel. So also I just realized I've been looking at the screen all the time and not the camera. So I'm gonna look at the camera. Yeah. Where was I? Of course. So yeah, that was one of the reasons why I'm always nervous. So I thought of using one of my stuffed toys, and also I realized that I cannot really do anything about it because there are a lot of chances that we always hurt someone or the other in one way or the another. But I would like to tell everyone that if I ever do so, it is absolutely unintentional, and I would always stand by and apologize if I end up hurting someone's sentiments, because if I would want to hurt someone's sentiment, I would never come up with a channel. So apologies in advance if I end up doing it, but my word on it would never be intentional. Which brings me to the second point of today's video, that I have obviously, like mostly people, not mostly, always people with anxiety have the tendency to overthink. Now since the whole lockdown situation has come up, my overthinking has taken a lot of different dimensions, and the reason behind it that after analyzing I realized is that now I have a lot of free time in my hand. In the beginning of the lockdown, we had a lot of assignments to do. We had a lot of project work and submissions and other work, and obviously I have to help my mom with the household chores. So I hope this is how we pronounce it. Also, I need to look at the camera, not the screen. Every time I look at the screen, I remind myself that I have to look at the camera. So yeah, as I was saying, that my overthinking started becoming multidimensional. Now when I was usually every day, it is not like I started overthinking because of the lockdown, but then my usual overthinking would have a particular direction. This is more like there's no direction to it. I would literally start thinking about anything, any random thing. Like that day I was sitting in the balcony and I saw two kids playing. Now I started overthinking about which one would be the dominating one. and then from there it started, linking and linking, and then I end up having a breakdown because as a kid I was always the one who was dominated by others. So I just realized that it's not just me. If it's happening to me, a lot of people would be suffering with this. So I wanted to make this video for a lot of reasons. One being the overthinking part that has increased for a lot of people, and I would want whoever watches this, and if you are facing this, I would want you to talk to me. I'm not a therapist or counselor, but then see, we can help each other, mainly me helping you, but we can help each other to rationalize our thoughts, and find out the root of how or why that particular overthinking started when it comes to you overthinking about random topics. Also, we can find a productive way to channelize that feeling of anxiety, if that is what you are suffering with. This actually helps, man. This actually helps. So, firstly, the offensive part. Secondly, the overthinking. Thirdly, this is going to be tough. Thirdly, okay, before I say this, not that many people watch this video, but if anyone watches it who know me, please don't come and talk to me about this. Pretend that you never heard it and pretend that you don't know, because I really don't want to talk to anyone about this particular aspect of my life. So since the whole lockdown started, I have had issues with self-harm more than I did back then in university. So I think the reason behind it is that the frustration that the overthinking has caused, and it can be n number of reasons, to be honest, like all the different components of my life leading to the frustration, which I don't have a medium to channelize because I'm absolutely completely unproductive, and I don't know why, but yes, I am. To be honest, I know why, but I won't tell you why. So the point being, my self-harm tendencies have increased, which is not a good thing. Thus, I thought that also I've been hearing about people, I've been listening about people committing suicides, and that has increased apparently since the lockdown. So I just thought that before it's too late, I need to go and make a video and tell people that please don't hurt yourself, and if you're feeling anything, then I'm here because I know exactly how it feels. And I don't promise you to take all of your troubles like this. I can't take them away, but I promise you will try to find a way out, and I know there is a way out. You just have to find it. So I'm gonna sum this up because it took a lot of my energy and guts to make this video. And before I start having weird physical symptoms of my panic attack, I'm gonna run away. But before I go, I need to tell you guys this, that a friend of mine once told me that when you're stuck in a maze, okay, you can't find the way out, but someone else can. And that is why we are there, to help each other. That is what friends are for. So just because we have never met each other does not mean that we are not friends. We are all humans, and we are all linked with the feeling of humanity, though it's tough in these situations. You got this. You got this. I got this. We are in this together, and we'll do it one step at a time. Take care, guys. You know where to reach me. See you soon.